Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And welcome to day 2 of my 9 days of giveaways. So I have an example right here of one of the 9 boxes that I am giving away for the next 9 days. Well, 7 days left, whatever, 9 days. I've got 9 of these boxes that I'm giving out, and these have beauty products, lifestyle products, skincare, maybe some hair care, so many different types of products in here that I am so excited to be sharing and giving away. And it's very easy to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at The Life of Christina, and leave a comment on this video with how I can contact you. So I'll have all of this information in the description of this video. But this giveaway is going to be open for 1 week from when this video goes live. And I figured it would be fun to try out another type of product that I'm going to be hopefully including in the giveaway as long as this product performs well and I actually think that you all should try it. So I'm trying the Estate Just a Taste Mini Pigmented Palette. So I am so grateful to Estate Cosmetics for sending me all of the shades of their mini pigmented palettes. So let's get into it. This is what they look like. So cute. I love little eyeshadow quads like this. So there's 4 different color variations and they all have 4 shades in them. This one here is called Merbabe. And so I'll try out one of them today, and then the other 3 I will throw into other giveaway boxes. So we've also got Foxtrot is another colorway. So don't worry, I'm not going to give away the used one, but I'm not going to swatch the other palettes so that way I can include them in the giveaways. Ooh, this one's really pretty. This is called On Wednesdays. I like that they have neutral colors and then a pop color as well. And lastly, ooh, this one's so pretty too. This is called Peach Punch. I really like how all of these look, so I think I'm just going to choose at random. Let's go for this one here. This is Merbabe. Ooh, yes, this one looks really nice. So I'm going to start out with some swatches. So of course we've got the pop of color with the teal. Oh, not quite as pigmented as I was expecting, but seems kind of buildable. A matte shade. Ooh. These have a very nice feel to them. Looks like these 3 are matte and then the teal is shimmery. Ooh. These matte shades are really nice, nicely pigmented. It's kind of surprising that the shimmery shade is not quite as pigmented. It's a little bit more sheer than what I'd want for a metallic. But this is a really pretty color story. And it's actually going to go nice with my top. I didn't even plan that. Okay, so whenever I review eyeshadows, I like to test them out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion all over one of my eyes, and we'll see if there's any difference in how these eyeshadows perform with and without a primer. I love that the matte brown tan shades in here are perfect for playing with like the dimensions and the contour of the eye, because for me that's one of the main reasons that I even wear eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off with a fluffy brush, picking up the light shade here, bit of kickback, and I'm going to apply this in this transition area. So from the crease up to the brow bone. We'll see if this really shows up, but to start creating, you know what? That's looking actually lighter than the skin on my eyelid. So I don't think I actually can use this for that contour dimension. I'm going to pick up a little more. I'm going to dust this all over the lid. Ooh, that does kind of brighten the lid a bit. And I have some also discoloration on my eyelids, so this kind of gives like a more brightened, just like evened out, clean, crisp eye look. Ooh, in the pan, it looks a little bit darker, but I guess on the eyelid, I mean, it's a great shade for just an all over, very natural, minimal eyeshadow look that definitely does something to the look, does something to my face and my eyes, but it's such a natural way to just kind of clean up the eye look. I am so excited that I'm able to do that with this shade. I didn't think I would. But okay, now I'm going to pick up this matte shade here in the corner, and I'm going to apply this into, let's go right into the crease and try and build up a little dimension here. This is a pretty shade. It's like a rosy brown. So I feel like this shade would look so pretty with some pink or with like other warm tones. Ooh, that does look really nice. Even if I just did the kind of off-white all over the lid and then threw this into the crease, that's another nice, complete eyeshadow look that is, like I said, it's playing with the contours and dimension, and it enhances the eyes, but it's very natural. And these are very easy to apply, easy to blend, and they are buildable. Just, I feel like I can't help myself. I just keep dipping the brush back in just to get a little bit more, and I'm really quickly and easily able to achieve the look that I'm wanting. And so far, I don't see a difference with the primer versus without it. Oh, I'm really liking how this looks right here. Just if I were to stop right here, but I'm not going to. Next, I'm going to pick up the other matte brown here. And this one could also go into the crease like I just did, but I'm going to put this one instead in this outer V. And I just like to give a little bit more contour and dimension to the outer V to help lift my eye shape. Let's see what that does. Look, I'll say it again. I could stop right here and have another really nice, enhancing, natural eyeshadow look. Ooh, I love this. This little quad can seriously create so many different looks. It's truly like a day to night effect going on. It's like all three of these looks are perfect daytime looks. Yeah, these shades are really easy to work with. Kind of bringing it into the crease a little bit to pull it all together. But I love how that enhances the eye. But now we're really going to change it up because I am going to pick up the teal shade, and I like to apply metallic shades with my finger to try and get as much pigment payoff as possible. And I'm going to place this onto the rest of the eyelid here. Yeah, you see, it's just not quite as pigmented or opaque as I would want my teal shimmer to be. But I guess if you wanted like a little bit more of a toned down teal, this kind of gives it, because it's such a pretty shade, but it's just not as opaque as I'd like. But wow, that actually looks really nice with the rest of the shades. In the palette, I feel like they just kind of look a little bit random with the teal, but on my eyelid, it's more cohesive than I was expecting. Yeah, I would say even with and without the primer, the teal shade is the same. So it's actually kind of a good thing when there's no difference with and without a primer, because I think that means it's a good quality eyeshadow formula. So I also like to test if there's any creasing. Yeah, I'm not seeing any creasing either, which is great. So I am so happy with this palette. It is so useful and a perfect little travel size too. I can create so many looks from just these colors. Like, this is seriously all I would really need when I'm traveling. This is perfect. I'm so happy about this because I get to share it with 3 other giveaway winners are going to get to try these little quads, which I am a big fan of. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day and enter my giveaway. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.